Hello Aries, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong bumabalik sa inyo. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much Aries. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energies and messages for Aries, please. For love and romantic situation. For Aries. 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 Okay. Merong energy ng contemplation, yes or no, unsure, choices, and decisions. May kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan, Aries. May kailangan kayong harapin na sitwasyon na kailangan ng yes or no. Okay, someone is waiting for you. Okay, but you are not sure kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. You're not sure what is best for you. For sure you know what is best for you, but you just don't know kung ano yung mangyayari, okay? If you give your answer. High value. The Empress, beautiful, sexy, abundant, and confident. So you embody this high value, Aries, okay? You are confident, you are abundant, okay? Prosperity follows you. Yung iba sa inyo may magandang katayuan or role sa company or sa trabaho. Okay, you are earning higher or bigger salary. Okay, may magandang posisyon or important role in the company. Okay, reconciliation, harmony, resolving issues, getting back together. Okay, merong energy ng reconciliation. Someone wants to get back with you, okay, and i-resolve kung ano man yung mga naging problema ninyo or hindi pagkaintindihan. Merong gustong bumalik. Okay, reconciliation is on the way, Aries. It's up to you if you're going to say yes or no, or accept this reconciliation with your ex. Maybe you're dealing with an ex, okay? But you are very independent on your own and abundant without that person. Let us see what are the messages for you, Aries, from the tarot. Aries, please. Messages and energies from the tarot. Ano po yung mga energies and messages for Aries? What are your messages? Your person feels that you are changing, okay? Merong pagbabago na nangyayari sa inyo. You're shedding off something old. Okay? Merong new phase na nangyayari sa inyong life. You have come into realization, Aries. Meron kang enlightenment na natanggap. That's why you're moving on. You are changing, okay, into something better. You are transforming from something old, okay? Queen of Wands. Yeah, you might be dealing with an ex, okay? And he or she wanted to get back to you. Gusto niyang kunin uli ang inyong tiwala. Okay? He or she feels confident na magkakabalikan kayo uli or makuha uli ang inyong tiwala. Okay? Gusto kanya i-win, Aries. This person is also very attractive, okay? Full of energies, madaming ginagawa, very creative, artistic, okay? Yes, gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa inyo, Aries. Kung ano man ang hindi ninyo, kung meron mang mga disagreements before, okay, hindi kayo nagkatugma sa inyong mga goals or sa inyong mga hangarin, okay? But now, gusto niya magkaroon ng justice and fairness with you. He or she is willing to accept kung ano man ang gusto ninyo, Aries. Okay? Gusto niya maging okay kayo uli. Gusto niyang bumalik, magkabalikan kayong dalawa. Okay. Kung before, hindi ganun ka-clear yung thinking ng inyong person, confused pa siya kung anong gusto niya, kung anong gagawin niya sa buhay. Now, it's the other way around. Very determined na siya. He or she wants to make things right for you and for the relationship. Okay. Parang confident na siya ngayon. Gusto niya ipakita sa'yo na kaya ka na niyang panindigan or meron na siyang direksyon sa buhay niya, nahanap niya na kung ano yung gusto niya. Okay. He or she wants to join your success. Nagbago ka na, Aries, okay? You might be dealing with a Libra or an air sign, okay? Merong pagsisisi na mangyayari. Okay. Ang problema is kailangan mo ng commitment from this person. Gusto mo iparamdam, parang kulang, parang hindi ganun ka-expressive yung person ninyo. Gusto mo ng commitment from him or her. Panindigan niya kung ano yung gusto niya, okay? Or panindigan ka niya, Aries. Pinag-iisipan mo yung desisyon ngayon, Aries, okay? Tatanggapin mo pa ba siya ulit? Bibigyan mo ba siya ng chance? Okay. You're thinking about it. Nag-iisip ka paano pwedeng gawin. You need mental clarity. Okay. Nagre-reminisce ka. Iniisip mo yung past, previous experience mo with this person because now you're a changed person. Ayaw mo na ng BS, okay? From this person. Parang natuto ka na from your previous experience and parang sarado na ngayon yung puso ninyo, Aries. And this is making someone regretful, okay? Merong pagsisisi na nangyari or kalungkutan na mangyayari. Okay, kung ano yung ina-expect ng person mo. Okay. Merong disappointment doon. It seems that you're not giving this person another chance. Yes, you miss this person. But you know, the flame, the love is not there anymore. Not that much. Baka nag-fade na. Okay. And kailangan uli i-prove sa'yo yun ng inyong person. Kailangan kanyang ligawan uli. Okay. But this person wants to make things right with you, Aries. He's thinking about that. Gusto niya makipagbalikan sa inyo, maging confident na maging okay siya, and may gusto siyang patunayan sa inyo. Gusto niyang bumalik sa inyo, okay? pinag-iisipan mo sa. Think wisely, Aries. Be logical as well. Maybe before you've given your time and attention and emotion to this person pero hindi niya binigyan ng kahalagahan. And ngayon, bumabalik siya, nag-iisip kayo. Okay, be wise, be logical because you don't want any more BS from this person. Okay. It's like iba na ngayon ang inyong mga goals. Iba na ngayon ang gusto ninyo sa buhay, Aries. Okay. And this will break someone's heart. Whatever your decision is. Okay. The thing is, parang mas ginagamit nyo ngayon ang isip ninyo kaysa emotion. Okay? Yeah. This person is very attractive, creative at the same time. Parang always gusto yung happy moments. Marami siyang mga activities outside, okay? Physical activities maybe. He is also very attractive and creative. Okay? So, nasa inyo, Aries, kung ano yung decision ninyo. Let us see what are the messages para sa inyo, Aries. Parang kailangan uli ibalik yung flame, ang init ng pagmamahal, yung attractiveness. Because parang you are different now, okay? Parang goal-oriented ka ngayon. Career-oriented. Message for Aries, please. Playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together. And remember, love is the greatest healer. Okay. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. Inject some playfulness in your life, Aries. Aries. Forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Okay? Stop focusing your energy on past events. Okay? Forgiveness is also calling you. Okay? So, it's up to you, Aries. Ito yung mga energies para sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!